Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Desk. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as US dollar technical outlook. In previous weeks, index started the week on flat note and it has traded with extreme volatility on either side throughout the week. Nifty closed around 9120 with loss of 31 points on week basis. On the weekly chart, index has formed a doji candlestick pattern indicating indecisiveness among the market participants regarding the immediate direction. It was the third consecutive week that Nifty has extended its profit booking, forming lower high-low formation compared to previous week, indicating short-term negative bias. On the weekly chart, since past 6 consecutive weeks, index continued to consolidate within range of 9250 to 9050 levels. Hence, any either side breakout will indicate further direction. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above its immediate resistance zone of 9200 levels, then it may witness further buying momentum in the range of 9260 to 9300 levels. From current levels, immediate short-term support zone is around 9050 levels. However, any violation of this support zone will cause further profit booking in the range of 9000 and 8970 levels. Currently, Nifty is sustaining below its 20-day simple moving average, which indicates short-term negative bias. On the indicator front, the weekly strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory, indicating profit booking may arise on pullback rally. For the week, we expect index to trade within range of 9200 to 9000 level with negative bias. For the day, some positive bias stock are MMTC, Infratel, Reliance, Motherson Sumi and Prestige, whereas some negative bias stock for the day are Biocon, Shriram Transport Finance, Cipla, ITC and HUL. Moving to the US dollar technical outlook, in previous trading session, US dollar opened with a downward gap and it has remained lackluster within narrow trading range within 64.71 to 64.64 levels throughout the session. On the daily chart, US dollar has formed a doji candlestick pattern indicating indecisiveness among the market participants regarding the immediate direction. Since past 2 consecutive weeks, US dollar is consolidating within 64.90 to 64.35 levels. Hence, any other side breakout will indicate further direction. On the higher end, 64.90 is the crucial resistance zone and any breakout above this level will indicate upside breakout. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, US dollar continue to remain in a downtrend as it is continuing to form lower top, lower bottom formation, indicating further weakness. For the day, if US dollar trade and sustains below 64.55 levels, then it may witness further downside momentum towards 64.30 to 64.10 levels. On the upside, immediate intraday resistance zone is around 64.75 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory and they are sustaining above the reference line, indicating buying may arise near support zone. Thank you.